How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Crypto is crashing. There are a lot of altcoins down significantly right now, and there's a lot of volatility. I mean, take a look at this. I haven't reloaded the page. Bitcoin was at 45,300. It was actually up more the day before, and if you reload now, it's not looking so hot. Let's see if this actually reloads. Otherwise, let's just show it here. Bitcoin at 42,300. It was just at 40,600 within 10 minutes ago. We're seeing huge volatility. I mean, a lot of liquidations. I want to talk about what's happening right now, how I literally just made 35% on a trade. I mean, look at this, 35% on a trade. And also why this is happening. Like I said, there's some rumors. There are some rumors going around right now that the Bitcoin ETF is going to be pushed back. I want to talk about where that's coming from, what you should know. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this one as soon as I post them. Also, there are links to Blowfin and to Margex underneath the video. Some of the best places to trade cryptocurrency. There's no KYC, there's no VPN. It's easy to set up. You want it for times like this where you can take advantage. Like I said, 35% gain, and this is when I just went 10x. So definitely check out those links underneath the video. Check out those links because you get deposit bonuses too. We're running some campaigns. So check those out. Also, there's a link down there to HGACCESS, where I'm joining about 9 or 10 other influencers and talking about information that we are hearing and are seeing behind the scenes. There are links to this underneath the video as well. We're giving away a free membership. All you have to do is sign up, try it out, and then you can win that free membership. Now, cryptocurrency's fallen. As I said, I mean, there's some big drops in certain cryptos. I mean, Solana was just at $90. Let me pull this back up. Cool thing about Margex is it is powered by TradingView. Take a look at this. We went all the way down, to $83 on Solana. I mean, talk about volatility. We went 20% down in 10 minutes. That's crazy. And Solana obviously is one of the most, one of the cryptos people are most excited about right now. And yet they sold it off in a second. I still will say most of my portfolio is Bitcoin. But Solana, man, if you had a limit order there, you probably are feeling pretty good that you caught that bottom. At least that's what we think is the bottom as of now. Now, what the heck is happening? This is what's kind of being pushed around. They say, imagine in the same day, first they post about BTC ETF. In the next 2 days, Bitcoin moves to 45,900. Then after a few hours, no Bitcoin ETF will be rejected. Bitcoin moves down to 40,000. Matrixport now expects the SEC to deny all issuers the creation of spot Bitcoin ETFs in January 2024. These are the headlines. So they say spot Bitcoin ETF approval imminent. Bitcoin jumps to 50,000. And then why the SEC will reject Bitcoin spot ETFs again. So just crazy. I mean, I think this is scaring people. They think it's a sell the news type of event. And let's take a look. Crypto liquidations, I'm sure we're high as well. So at this point, I still think there's a very good chance that the ETF gets approved this week or next week by January 10. That's what we've heard. I wouldn't be surprised if, I mean, there's just as good a chance that this is a shakeout, like that that the approval is actually going to happen, and they're just trying to shake out some people to go long or something like that. It's hard to tell. It's probably just two different authors that didn't really cross-check to see what each other were writing. And because of that, they came out with this title that's pretty bearish. Now, apparently there are so many liquidations that it won't even show. Computers obviously running a little bit wonky. Maybe it really is because there have been a lot of liquidations. I mean, you don't see moves like this. We're talking 20% move on altcoins, 10% moves on Bitcoin in 20 minutes. You don't see moves like this without a lot of liquidations. So a lot of liquidations happened. A lot of people paper-handed. A lot of people worried about the ETF rejection. Thing is, there's not much else in the news right now. I mean, it could be Jim Cramer yesterday saying that Bitcoin's here to stay. I'm just kidding. But honestly, if you're asking me my opinion on this market, is this scary? Is the ETF going to be approved or not? Is it time to sell, to buy back later? First of all, nothing has changed, right? We're talking about one company having a rumor that maybe the ETF doesn't get approved. I don't care what anyone says. I honestly don't even care that much if the ETF is approved right now or if it's approved in a month or 2 months. It doesn't affect my long-term view on crypto. It doesn't affect my long-term view on Bitcoin or Solana. It just gives me better buying in prices if we actually don't get it approved this week. I think that could send the price down. Do I think we're going back down to 30K? No, I don't think so. We've shown some real support around 40K. We could always fall below that, but honestly, I think there are a lot of buyers that are ready to snag up some more Bitcoin. And there are a lot of buyers that would love to snag up some cheap altcoins as well, especially before the next bull run. Now, I don't know if it's going to be approved or not. I don't know where Bitcoin's going in the next week, but that's just kind of my opinion. That's my thought process. I will say we are looking interesting on a couple different charts. I have shown these charts over and over. Let's show the Bitcoin dominance chart and then the ETH Bitcoin chart as well, and then the Solana dominance chart. This is all stuff that you should be looking at. If you're bullish on crypto, you still need to be paying attention to these charts because you need to know where to invest in crypto. You can see this was the Bitcoin dominance chart. We were at a very interesting level where it looked like we might actually get rejected. We might break through here, and I guess not even get rejected, but just fall through this prior resistance and turn it into resistance again instead of flipping it into support. But it looks like we flipped this pretty well into support. I mean, move this line down a little bit, boom, hit support, moving back up. Now, if we could break this line and turn it back into support as well, there's a lot of people thinking that we could actually continue this dominance rally. Now, of course, there are always going to be outliers like Solana. Solana has done extremely well. If you look at the Sol dominance chart, it's actually almost flipping the prior high into support. So flipping this resistance into support again could be really big. I mean, this fell down really quickly a few minutes ago, but now coming back up. Now, ETH Bitcoin, totally different story. ETH Bitcoin continues to get rejected, and we went up almost to hit this line a few days ago, and now we're back down at the bottom of this range. So ETH is not showing much strength against Bitcoin. Now, let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Let me know if you sold off in this rally or got liquidated or anything like that. So far, this position I just opened up 51%. So if you want to trade cryptocurrency, you can trade with the link underneath the video to Margex or to Blowfin. Both are great. Both give you deposit bonuses. And if you want to get more access to YouTubers, what they're hearing, what they're seeing, what they are doing in the space, you can check out the link to HGA. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And by the way, sorry if I seemed a little bit all over the place. I literally just woke up and saw that the market had been falling like in the last 10 minutes, and I made this video. So if you like that, if you like the dedication, let me know in the comment section. I really do appreciate it. It makes me feel good when you say that you subscribed or something like that and that you appreciate the videos. Also, just hit subscribe so I know that you like this. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next